Men's leather motorcycle jackets. Black Moto riding motorbike racing cafe racer biker jacket. C armored M. 100% genuine leather bike jacket for guys with a lifetime warranty. HWK biker jacket. Men provides full roadway protection with 1.1 mm 1.2 mm thick. Costs leather coat. Guys, 100% original YKK zippers and rust-free buttons will certainly allow this black natural leather coat serve for you a lifetime. Thermal lining, removable, and micro mesh lining attached. Men's natural leather jacket is optimum for all sort of climate conditions. See approved armors, removable, on the male's bike coat's back, elbows, and shoulders. Maximum quality at a minimum price. This a deal we wager that you will certainly not discover a men's motorcycle natural leather coat at this price in the protective equipment market. Body chest measurements. Size GUID inches, S38, M40, 42 lira, XL44, 2XL46, 3XL48, 4XL50, 5XL52. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.